bananas, we're back. Alright, so I got my instructions here. I'm just going to move these down to where I can see them. And let's keep going. So I need to take these two pieces and put them together. I need to put this together on this. Just like this, and this is going to go so, like that. There you go. Like I said, more details to be found. Okay, and now, to this, I'm going to put this right. Like that. Things always fall apart on me when I do this, but it's okay because, like I said, once I get this in there, it'll all be solidified and we'll be ready to rock and roll and put this on there. So now I need one of these, like that. Ooh, okay, good. And then I need 2 more of these. This is going to go with this black part, like that. Here, just like that. So it's going to look like that. There you go. You know, that way you can see how it's getting put together. And then I need, I'm going to put these two together like this. That's going to go right there. And then I'm going to take these 6 snots, put them together just like this. And like I said, sometimes I flatten it a little bit with the surface there, so you can see how we're doing this. And then we put this right down here like that. And that's how that's supposed to look. So you get that detail again there. And then there's going to be a sign here and some other stuff here, of course. And yeah, look at that. You know, it's even got the fire escapes on there, as you can see. And we're done with this video. I'm going to call it quits for the night, and then I'll start again in the morning. So like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.